welcome to my channel. Today we are going to know how to set ringtones for iPhone for free without using iTunes or computer. So let's begin. Go to your App Store and search for an application called GarageBand and install it. Once it is installed, open your GarageBand. You will find an audio recorder option. Just press on Instrument. Now remove the A option and click on 3 broken lines. Now press plus button and make sure the bars are minimum of 30 seconds. Done. Now press on the circular option. Here you can use the audio files downloaded from the browser, or also you can use WhatsApp audio files. Make sure the audio files are saved in My Files. Now select the song you need and wait till it uploads. Once it is uploaded, hold and drag the song near the guitar option. You can scroll left to right to adjust the song. Once it is done, press on the arrow mark to save the file. Wait till it uploads. Once it is uploaded, long press on it and click on the share option or ringtone. Continue. Export. Make sure the name of the ringtone is different from the previous ringtone. Export. Wait till it exports. And now use sound as. You can use any of the 3 options you like. And done.